Assalamu alaikum, my name is Rashid, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about the length formula, that how we can calculate the length of any cell. Okay, any text, this is text and this is digit. So this formula is applicable for both, for text as well and for digit as well. So here I will start my formula is equal to len length parenthesis open, and I will select that cell with the text. Here is text. Okay, and here is digit as well. So we can calculate it manually. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and it is 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the formula by which we can calculate the length of the digit and the text as well. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that is you need to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my eTutorial park. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.